Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad right now sitting just under 19 cent, still holding this floor, man. You know what's so strong, what's so interesting about Monad here is that it's holding these levels even with Bitcoin, completely falling off a cliff, guys. Bitcoin dropped all the way down to like, 76, almost $76,000, $77,000 in just such a fast pace. I was like, what the heck is happening here? And you would think, the majority of altcoins would be way more affected, but I'm so happy because altcoins are showing strength. Now, say Bitcoin falls to 50K, right? Obviously, that's going to be a lot more rough for the altcoins. But if they're holding up this well when Bitcoin dropped to 77K, right? A drop to 50K it doesn't feel like it's gonna hurt them that much anymore, in my opinion, right? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments section. Maybe they're only holding up well for now, and the charts start to all of a sudden look like complete and utter destruction, right? But from what I've seen with the dips that are happening on Bitcoin here, I thought Monad would have dropped way harder. And it's not. It's not dropping that hard, right? It's not falling off the table, right? So I'm like, that's pretty interesting. And this is why I say I would stick with my thesis that Monad would more than likely be one of the best altcoin performers of 2026, right? Going into 2027 as well, in my personal opinion, right? And like I've stated in my previous videos, I think 100,000 Monad is the way to go. Right now, 100,000 Monad is $1,885, right? Not gonna break the bank, not gonna put you in debt, right? If something goes wrong, because nothing is guaranteed, you lose that amount. Obviously, in my opinion, you can make that back if you have an honest living, you got a job, you got some type of hustle, you can make that money back, bro. So the risk to reward here for Monad being an altcoin as well, not a meme coin, altcoin utility, layer 1 chain, one of the best, newest layer 1 chains, one of the fastest, most scalable EVM as well. It's like Ethereum and Solana fused, making like the ultimate steroid-induced, Gatorade, Red Bull addicted layer 1 chain, right? That's what Monad is in my opinion, right? So 100,000 coins, it goes to 10 cents, that's 10K. It goes to 20 cents, that's 20K. 50 cents, that's 50K. $1, which is very possible, that's $100,000 from $2,000 invested. And I think that is very, very possible, guys. And again, I'm just so impressed by Monad here holding up so well with this Bitcoin crash, man. That is more indication to me that Monad is going to be one of the best altcoin performers for this next bull cycle. That's just my opinion, right? Let me get your thoughts down below, guys. Didn't make the update in the day. I was super spent to make videos, right? I'm trying to upload at least 2 to 3 to 5, depending on what's happening in the space. Sometimes even up to 8 videos in a day. So my apologies for not being on point to upload in the daytime. I'm uploading now. I had a bit of rest, right? So as always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos. Really appreciate all the support, really do. And I'll catch you in the next one.